When you depend on alcohol or drug or tobacco, it simply means that you are not happy with yourself. Simply you don't have the positive thought. Simply you are not doing the things what make you happy. Simply you are not respecting yourself. You are not loving yourself. That's why you want to be someone else, somebody else. And you think what God had made you, what God have given you. If you can't be happy with this, you going to be happy to become someone else, to be someone else, the duplicate, not the original. Depending on anything is the doing violence with yourself, with your heart, with your body, with your mind. I am not against anything, but if anything harming your body, your mind, your soul, and taking your happiness, taking your peace away from you, doesn't matter is drug, alcohol, or tobacco, doesn't matter is your greed, is your ego, is your jealousy, is your anger. These all things for me only that you don't respect the creation of the God. And if you can't make happy yourself, if you can't put your mind in peace with your intelligence, think then what you can give to your children, to your parents, and to the society. Simply, your thoughts are not in right way. Once you try, you understand how to think positive. You will do the positive, and if you do the positive, my friend, you're going to get the result positive only. Just think whatsoever you are doing is good for you or not good for you. With your intelligence, from your heart, from within you, you need to know what is your need and what you doing just because of your bad habit, old habit, what only harm you, what never can give you anything. Just try to be center, conscious. And how you can be the conscious and center in your life? For this, you need to do the meditation, you need to do the yoga, you need to sing, you need to dance, you need to laugh, you need to love, my friend. You need to help the needy people, you need to help the nature, you need to help to clean and make the green Mother Earth. If you ask your heart, you know very well what is good to do and what is not to do. Just try to have the connection with your heart. Don't do the things only with your mind. What always show you the problem. What always bring the problem when you are happy. So be aware that you can't lose your peace or happiness because of anybody, anything, or any situation. This freedom is your birthright to be happy and to make other happy.